everyone, this is Geek, aka Today I am opening a Geek Feel monthly mystery box on May 2017. Here we have my little lovely assistant, Stanley, which he is just a little sleepy. Okay, let's just go open the box right now and see what we got. Let's see. Well, for starters, we have like a little booklet. Here's a picture with Rocket, the raccoon, and of course, your truly favorite there, little Groot. Next we have here, what in the world? Oh, we have a marble with a picture of the Hulk, and I'm trying to figure out exactly what the heck is this. Probably like a pencil case, or I think it's like a pencil case. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Oh, look everyone, it's little Stewie. And if anybody knows what Stewie is, this is from Family Guy. He's a one little bad baby. Yep. Next on the box, a t-shirt. Let's see. Viewers, I have no clue exactly what this is from, but it is something, I have no idea. If any of you viewers know exactly what it is, leave me in a comment. It's a pretty cool shirt, if I do say so myself. Okay. Next in the box, and truly, we have a little Kaiju Panic downloadable stream game. I would basically have no clue what I'm going to do with it, but I'll figure out something. And lastly in the box, we have a lovable looking pin. And the one I have here is a Destroid. There are 3 collectibles from it, which you can get a Constrictor Commander or a Serpent Emperor. I'll show you on the back. Depending on which one you get for your Loot Crate for this month. So, that concludes today for what is in the Geek Box. And with my little lovely assistant Stalin, who I love so much. This is yours truly, Geek, aka